Mahendra Singh Dhoni, popularly known as MS Dhoni, is a former Indian cricketer and captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketing captains of all time, having won numerous accolades and awards for his contributions to Indian cricket. Dhoni was born on 7th July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. He grew up in a middle-class family, and his early years were spent in the small town of Ranchi, where he developed an interest in cricket. Dhoni's cricketing career began at a young age, when he played for his school team. He quickly rose through the ranks and was soon selected to play for the state team of Bihar. It was during this time that he was noticed by the Indian cricket team selectors, who saw in him a rare talent for the sport. In December 2004, he made his debut for the Indian cricket team, and it was not long before he established himself as one of the most reliable batsmen in the team.
In 2007, Dhoni was appointed as the captain of the Indian cricket team, and under his leadership, the team went on to achieve great success. He led India to victory in the 2007 ICC World 2020, which was the first major international tournament win for the country in nearly 3 decades. This win marked the beginning of a new era in Indian cricket, and Dhoni was hailed as a national hero. Dhoni's leadership skills and calm demeanor under pressure earned him the nickname, Captain Cool, and he went on to lead India to further victories in the coming years. In 2010, he led the Indian team to the top of the rankings in the shorter format of the game, and in 2011, he led the team to their first ever World Cup win in 28 years. The final match of the tournament was a historic moment for Indian cricket, and Dhoni's calm and calculated approach to the game was praised by fans and critics alike. Aside from his on-field achievements, Dhoni is also known for his philanthropic work. He has been associated with various charitable organizations, including the Padai Veeran Foundation, which helps underprivileged children in rural areas, and the Save the Children organization, which works to improve the lives of children in India. In August 2015, Dhoni announced his retirement from Test cricket, stating that he wanted to focus on the shorter formats of the game. Despite this, he continued to lead the Indian cricket team in one-day internationals (ODIs) and 2020 internationals (T20s). In 2017, he led India to victory in the ICC Champions Trophy, which was yet another triumph for the Indian cricket team under his leadership. Dhoni retired from international cricket in August 2020, bringing an end to an illustrious career that saw him achieve numerous milestones and records. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time, and his impact on Indian cricket will be remembered for years to come. Throughout his career, Dhoni has received numerous awards and accolades, including the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award, in 2018. He was also named as the captain of the ICC ODI Team of the Year in 2006, 2007, 2008, and 2009, and was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's highest honor for sports, in 2007. In conclusion, MS Dhoni's impact on Indian cricket cannot be overstated. He is a true legend of the sport, and his contributions to Indian cricket will be remembered for years to come. He is not only a great cricketer.
If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel with hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.